tonight, we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out, singing like, singing like, party like.
I'm never going on this again. He's the worst driver ever.
Singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, you freak out, singing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told?
Hey toysfunfam, today we're making some shortbread cookies. We've already got a head start and we've put in the flour, the butter and the sugar. So I'm going to carry on mixing. And so we'll see you when we mix this up in 3, 2, 1. I'm still mixing in the flour, but now I've gone in with my hands, so I'm moulding it together because it's became more doughy. So now we've rolled a bit of it into a ball. We haven't managed to put it all into one because it's quite big. So now we've got to put a bit of flour on the chopping board, well the board, so it doesn't stick. And we need some rolling pin as well, don't we? Mm-hmm. So it doesn't stick to that. And then we've got to put this in the middle and roll it out.
What am I doing, Talia?
You're rolling out the dough, the shortbread dough, so you can.
Cut it out. It might be a little bit.
Yep.
Might need a bit more butter in it, maybe. I'm not too sure. How thick does it need to be, Talia? Any ideas?
It's thick enough so it's not too crumbly.
Do you think that's thick enough to start cutting some out?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we've got Christmas tree.
I don't think you need a Christmas tree this time of year, do you?
Or a gingerbread man, but I still want one. These are the only colours I've got, so.
That's a dolphin, isn't it? Oh no, is it Santa?
Yeah, it looks a bit like a dolphin.
Right, hang on a minute, we're going to need a spatula to pick that up.
Or, actually, I've got a better idea. We'll cut them all out and then we'll peel off the outside.
Do them close together so you get as many on as you can. Cut out as you can.
We might as well do some Santas.
Chopped it out up.
And that we'll have a really tiny one. Christmas tree. Gingerbread.
Will it fit?
Maybe. No, I don't think so.
No, if you hold that then I'll put them onto the tray.
Santa.
Try and lift these up. If you've cut them out well enough. Ah!
Mum, the spatula isn't big enough. Here, let me try. I'm a boss.
I think we're going to have to do add some butter to this.
Where's the heads falling? Guys, I've just had an amazing idea pop into my mind. Because we've got Christmas moulds, they're not really for this spring season. So I decided to get our smiley face pancakes one. Dad's going to take off the handle for us, thank you Dad. And we're going to get some of the dough in that and make smiley face shortbreads. What a good idea.
Oh. Let's see what they turn out like, yeah?
Yeah.
We've already got some in the oven. Not sure if you can see through there. We've
And
got
then-
some in the oven already.
And then we're starting our new tray.
Yeah.
Some of these are going to be fat and some of them might be thin, but you just don't know the right measurements for them, do you?
No.
What a good idea, Talia. I'm so glad I thought of this. Hopefully it works. Right, that seems fine, doesn't it? And let's see how it turns out once it's cooked.
We're going to fill the rest up.
Yeah.
Go on then, I'll come back to you when you fill the rest up then, okay?
Okay. I filled them all up, and just when we were finishing, the
First batch we made are ready.
they look lovely.
They smell delicious, Talia.
That's
That's our first batch of shortbread cookies made.
They look a bit brown, but they still seem delicious.
Now let's see what these ones are going to come out like. I think you need to just poke a little bit with a fork because sometimes it stops them swelling up. So we'll do that and then we'll put them in the oven, shall we?
Yep.
Go on, let's do it.
So, the smiley faces have come out the oven, and look what happened. They look so good, but we had a little bit of an accident there. It was quite hard to get out.
And we sprinkled a bit of sugar on, haven't we?
Yep.
So now for batch 2. Shall we go for it?
That's two of the smiley faces. Yeah, and here are the ones that we got so far. I just gave Theo one and I've had one. The one that Theo had, I had a little bit of, and it's so delicious.
Is it nice? Cool.
Nice and soft.
What about Dad? Do you reckon you should give Dad one?
Yeah, I'm going to give him one there. Let's just make a little one of them. Gingerbread man. Let's go to surprise him. Guys, we've still got another batch in the oven, but we've got to say bye now. These are delicious. I've had so many, and Dad has too. Some of them are crispy, some of them are just nice and soft. They're really delicious. We rate this method a 10 out of 10. They're so
I
nice.
think your small friends will like them.
We've had a great time doing this. It's been super fun. So bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications.
And hit a comment if you would like to say hi or tell us if you like making shortbread. Bye guys, take care, we'll see you soon.
See ya.